If two of three concurrent forces in equilibrium are in the same direction, then the third force vanishes.
It's false.
That's correct. I am a structural layer surrounding some types of cells. I can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. My major function is to act as pressure vessels. J.E.A. Mills.
Cellulose.
No. My major function is to act as pressure vessels, preventing overexpansion of the cell when water enters. Okay.
The cell wall.
That is correct.
Mention one of the main factors that influence primary productivity in ecosystem. Yes, Stacey.
The light intensity, as in the amount of sunlight there to allow the plants to be able to produce enough chlorophyll, which is to produce enough food during photosynthesis.
I'll give you 1 out of 3. Aggrey Memorial. Atomic size of elements is a periodic property. Use a period of the periodic table to illustrate this. Yes, Stacey.
Okay. Using period 2 of the periodic table, the atomic size decreases from left to right, with an exception of beryllium and boron. But then from left to right, the atomic size decreases due to the addition of electrons to the same shell, which increases the number of protons, thereby increasing the effective nuclear charge and making the size smaller.
That's correct. A preamble to all schools. Distinguish between transpiration and evaporation with respect to the following. Aggrey. Surfaces in which they occur. Yes, Stacey.
Transpiration occurs on the surfaces of leaves, whilst evaporation occurs on the surfaces of liquids, especially water.
2 out of 3. Define Avogadro. Yes, Miss Aggrey.
Avogadro's constant is the number of entities, that is atoms, molecules, or ions, that is in 1 mole of a substance. That is contained in 1 mole of a substance, which is 1/12 of 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope.
I give to you. Arrange the following to indicate their correct sequential order in the vertebral column of humans. Cervical, lumbar. Yes, Aggrey.
Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal.
I'll give to you.
Find the resistance of the resistor, which dissipates 250 watts when the potential difference across its terminals is 50 volts. Yes, Stacey.
10 ohms.
That is right. Organisms are sometimes classified by the type of food they eat. State what the following organisms eat. Swedru, folivore. Folivore.
They eat insects.
No. Aggrey.
They eat leaves.
They eat leaves. Nectarivore.
They feed on nectar.
Nectar, that is right. Find the change in potential energy of a 2.0 kilogram object when it falls a distance of 8.0 meters.
160 joules.
I'll take it. How many lobes are present in the mammalian liver?
4 lobes.
That is correct. The hypotenuse is 17 centimeters long, and one leg is 7 centimeters longer than the other leg. Yes, Stacey.
60 centimeters squared.
That is right. What were you going to? Okay.